Tiafo wa frame VJ Park or Rich na matra babia or one fancy side wa ba betre oye Apatampa asawana mfante for yesawan. The reason behind that dance in where the name came from.
About the meaning of Apatampa. Mesa Apatampa Osibay.
I mean, in the comment section of her post, and I'm out for fast and they all be lie. It be set up.
In Subi, there was a river. There was a river in Oba. And in that river, there was a god living in that river. And the god became angry. So anytime the people in Oba go and fetch water from there, then the god there will take them into the water. And the parents or the siblings of those people, they will not see them. So one day, there was a woman who stood there was thinking about how to cool down the spirit. So this woman thought that, I have a big butt. Have you seen my butt? I'm so beautiful. So let me dress. And so I'll go and show myself to the God. So the woman sat down, dressed, and went to see the God.
But as someone moral lesson or woman there, say who bringing another fancy bringing the Nenwaji Twakesanwa, do not blame them because according to the story, the
God there nearly took the woman. But as the God was coming, the woman revealed herself to the God there. And the God there became calm. And the God went back into the river. So from that time, then they said that, hey, Okui Ampa, Apata Ampa. That is why the name came. Wapata Ampa. And then you had Apata Ampa.
Oh yeah, Abusuman and Wowo Gwayin Po. When you are so me as a mortal human being, who am I to say no to big bottles and I did twankesi? It's said I'm a story nina. Nasa beginning to twankesi or you're no fault. Or you're no fault because even the gods that are supposed to be crazy, one more than bets or be twankesi. But story is a oh be lie.
It be set up.